I'm Mila, and my magic pet Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Here we are. I've heard that there is a very special magic pet on this island.
Morphle, wanna see? Yeah, me too. Morphle, morph back into yourself so we can go into the jungle.
Ooh, I think I see it.
Let's go! Are you ready, Daddy? Daddy? Daddy gone! Uh-oh, let's go find him. Ah! Maybe you can see Daddy from the trees. Morph into a monkey, Morphle. Morphle now see Daddy. Scary! Yeah, but when you're with me, I don't feel scared at all. Look, Morphle, that elephant's trunk is stuck underneath that tree. Uh-oh. Morphle, morph into an elephant as well, so you can lift up that tree. Scary sound! It is. I wonder where the sound comes from. Ooh, look over there, Morphle. Pretty birdies! Morphle, morph into a bird as well. Now fly up high and look if you can see Daddy. Morphle now can see Daddy. It sounded really close by, Morphle. Yeah.
Oh, no! Mila! Morphle!
That's Daddy's voice. Let's go, Morphle.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Daddy now here? No. Oh, look.
Is anyone there?
Hello, bird. So you were the one making that scary sound. That was great. Do you really think so? Yeah. You must be the magic pet Daddy told us.
Help!
Was that you? It wasn't me. Real Daddy! We need to help him.
Mila! Morphle! Are you there?
Morph into a big dog.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and... Ah, you are the magic pet. Great!
Morphle, morph into a toy dinosaur.
Tumbling test tubes. I accidentally dropped this life ray that I was going to present at the National Science Conference. and it zapped your toy dinosaurs to life. But it broke, and I can't zap the dinosaurs back again. Mila, can you look after them while I fix my life ray?
Of course, Professor Rashid. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun together.
Great! I'll be back as soon as I can.
Okay, toy dinosaurs, while we wait for the professor to return, let's play a game. T-Rex? Was fun, but now I'm tired.
Yeah, fun. Hungry.
Yeah, we should get something to eat. Oh, I know. Let's have a picnic. Yay!
Ah, there we go. That took longer than expected, but it's fixed now. Let's go back to the toy dinosaurs right away. I hope nothing bad has happened while I was gone. Oh, tumbling test tubes.
Hi, Professor. Do you want to join the picnic? We've been having great fun.
Thank you, Mila, but I think it's time to zap the dinosaurs back into toys. Steady. Oh.
Professor Rashid, I don't think the toy dinosaurs want to go back to being toys. They've been having much more fun as living dinosaurs.
Yes, Mila, but the city is no place for dinosaurs.
Oh, I have an idea. Maybe Zookeeper Kenneth has a place for them.
What's this? Are those giant toy dinosaurs?
Yeah, Professor Rashid accidentally zapped them with his life ray. Do you have a place for the toy dinosaurs to live, Zookeeper Kenneth?
Well, the zoo only has one place for big animals, and the elephants already live there. But during my travels, I think I spotted an uninhabited island where the toy dinosaurs could live.
Let's go there right away, Morphle. There it is! You seem to have fun already! This island is a great home for you, but we need to go home again as well. Bye, toy dinosaurs! Hi, Daddy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this flying lion to fly, but it's too scared.
Poor thing.
Today, its new human companion is coming to pick it up, and he was promised a flying lion. I've been trying all night. I'm so tired. I don't know what to...
Oh no, Daddy fell asleep. We should help the lion to not be afraid of flying anymore.
Hello? Is there anybody here? I am looking for my flying lion. Oh, I don't want to wake him up. I'll just take the flying lion myself. Ah, here it is.
We will show you that it's not scary to fly. Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon. I don't think it's working. It's just making the lion more scared. I have a plan. I think we should stop trying to teach you how to fly for now, lion. Let's play a game instead. Let's play Hot Lava Monster. The game is that you can't touch the floor because that's the lava. Only the lava monster can touch the floor, and he has to catch the other players. Morph into a lava monster, Morphle. You got me, lava monster! Jump to that tree, lion! Wow! Did you see? You were flying! It was only for a little bit and not very high, but you were flying. Let's try it again.
time for some music.
Mila, Morphle, I need your help. I can't find the noise monster.
Not in my city.
That's him!
Every time the noise monster hears a loud noise, it grows. And if he becomes any bigger, that building he's on will collapse.
Morphle, morph into giant earmuffs!
But how do we get them up there?
Wow!
Wow, that lion is amazing at flying.
We all have to be very quiet, or else the noise monster will grow again.
Don't worry, I'll get everybody to be quiet. Everybody be quiet!
Morphle, morph into a motorcycle!
And the new champion of the world is... A little kid? Tell us, little girl, is this the most happy moment of your life?
No, Morphle and I think there are lots of things more important than winning.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, people of Earth!
Wow!
We are gathering the fastest racers from every planet to compete in the first motorcycle Grand Prix of the universe. And you are clearly the fastest on this planet. Follow us.
Morphle, morph into a space bike! Watch out, Morphle! A meteorite!
Great move. Meteorites are the most dangerous thing a space biker can come across. Get ready. Set.
way. Oh no! Look, Morphle! Comets! Lots of them! Well done, Morphle! We're gonna win! Oh no! Look, Morphle! Morphle, some things are more important than winning. We have to go save them. Morphle, add a sidecar to the bike.
Thank you for saving me, Mila. And Morphle. Unfortunately, you lost the race because you helped me.
That's okay. Some things are more important than winning awards.
Well, you might not have won an award, but there is something else you won.
Oh?
My friendship. Come with me. I will show you around in space.
The jungle. The best place for my favorite of hobbies. Wildlife photography.
Morphle, morph into a lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle.
You shouldn't believe everything they say on TV, Mila. There are no lions in the jungle. Lions live in the savannah. But I don't see any other animals here either. Ah, there's one.
Oh, hello, parrot. We made some new friends, Morphle. Hey, don't eat our friends. Morphle, look! This elephant got stuck. Morphle, help him out. Wow, monkeys!
Mila, there you are. I finally got a picture of an animal. We can go home now.
Can we stay for a bit longer? Morphle, the king of the jungle, likes it here.
Mila, I told you, lions are not from the jungle, so they can't be the kings of the jungle.
We are building the tallest building in the whole city. But none of our cranes are tall enough to finish the project. Mila, could you ask Morphle to morph into a big crane?
Morphle, morph into the biggest crane in the whole world.
Amazing! Thanks a ton, Morphle. This is the greatest building this city has ever seen.
I think you did super duper well, Morphle. Now let's go play in the park. Morphle, look! Morph back into a crane!
Unbelievable! Where did that wind come from all of a sudden?
I don't know. It's not windy anymore.
Look!
much more fun than I thought. Up in my cloud castle, I'm always alone.
We're very sorry. We didn't know that we built our skyscraper right through your castle. We will start over and build a new skyscraper somewhere else.
I have better plan. I love my cloud castle, but up here I have nobody to play with. For my plan, I need your help.